Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use system gestures and motions on Samsung Galaxy M14. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings. Now inside, look for advanced features. And here's the motions and gestures. Now let's check how they work. First one is lift to wake. Now if you enable it and then pick up your phone when it's locked, it should wake up like that without pressing any button. Next one is double tap to turn on and double tap to turn off, and it works like this. So we lock our phone, then double tap, it wakes up, double tap again and it locks down. Next one is alert when the phone is picked up. If you enable it and receive any call or message and you've missed it, next time you pick up your phone it will vibrate. Turn over to mute incoming calls and alarms by turning your phone face down. So if you place it upside down like that, it will mute all incoming calls. Last feature is a fingerprint sensor gesture. If you go there and enable it, you'll be able to scroll down notification bar by scrolling your finger on a fingerprint. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.